So now that we've registered for class, we can access our work a couple of different ways. You can go to My Lab and Mastering, either one of those links, or you can go to Modules, or you can go over here on the to-do list. I'll use this to-do list as kind of a reminder of what's coming up, and I like to access my problems through the My Lab login. That gives you a bigger page to work at and lets you see a broader perspective of what you have coming up in My Math Lab. Once I click on My Math Lab, it's going to take me to the Pearson page within Canvas. And from there, I'm going to click on Open My Lab and Mastering. When I click on this, this is what pops up. Now we have three different symbols right here. We have the blue circle, which is homework, and you can do each question over and over again. We have the kind of brownish diamond, and that's a quiz, and you can do the whole quiz over and over again. You cannot do each question, but you can do the whole quiz over again, and it will keep the highest grade. So if you make a 90 and you try to pull it up and only make an 80, it's going to keep the 90. And finally, the diamond. That's your test. We call it mastery, but that's your test, and you get only one try on that. Let's clear this up here. Now let's talk about the mastering, what that looks like. There's an assignment, and let's pick this one right here, question number 2. 5 plus negative 15. Now most of us know that you have 5 positives and 15 negatives, and they're going to cancel each other out, and you're going to have 10 negatives left. But let's pretend I didn't know that. Let's pretend I thought, well, maybe it's just negative 20. And down here I'm going to check answer. Ooh, I was wrong. And it kind of gives you a hint about how to solve it right here. Let's clear all that out. Let's try it again. Maybe it's positive 20. Maybe it's positive 20. I was wrong. Let's try positive 20. And I'm going to check answer. And ooh, I'm wrong. And it tells me why I'm wrong again. Now notice it now says final check. This is your 3rd try. And I told you you could try as many times as you want to. You can. Let me show you how that works. Let's say it's 10. We all know it's negative 10 because you have 15 negatives and 5 positives, and when they cancel out, you have 10 negatives left. But let's pretend I thought it was positive 10. And I'm going to do final check. And it tells me that I'm wrong and what the correct answer was. Now, there are 2 choices. I can either go to the next question, and it will count that one wrong, or I can do similar question and try again. If I go to the next question and it counts that one wrong, I can come back in a day or 2 and try similar question again. Let's try similar question. And you'll see it's a different question, the same kind of question with different numbers, and I get 3 more tries. And you can do that over and over again. I'm going to save it and clear that out. I hope that helps. Be sure and remember that you only get to miss 1 attendance marker. The attendance markers, they'll show up over on the right over here under the upcoming things to do. They're also under modules. In summer school, an attendance marker is 2 class days. You have one like every other day. The first one's on day 2, and then next week you have one on day 5 and day 7. So if you miss an attendance marker, you've missed 2 classes, and the instructions from the administration is, I have to cut you out. Don't miss an attendance marker. You can take them a little early. Don't take them late. Good luck. I hope that helps, and let me know if I can help you with anything else. Have a safe summer.